The Ministry of Health has announced the suspension of 45 additional health facilities over fraudulent claims submitted to Social Health Authority. This raises the number of suspended facilities to 90, making it the biggest crackdown on healthcare fraud in recent years. Health Cabinet Secretary 𝐍𝐢𝐧𝐞 said fraudulent and non-compliant claims worth 10.6 billion Kenyan shillings have been rejected. He emphasized that the ministry is committed to protecting public funds and ensuring accountability in the health sector.
Providers, consider this a final warning. And please, we don't have a contract. There are many professional groups that represent healthcare facilities. The rural healthcare facilities, led by one Dr. Rahim Aga Khan, who doesn't own a facility himself. He doesn't own a facility. I want to tell him that organizations have no contractual obligation with the Social Health Authority. That is not provided in the Social Health Authority Act. Contractual obligation. For example, Nairobi Hospital, Aga Khan, Kenyatta National Hospital, Kenyatta University, any facility, both public, private, faith-based, have individually contracts with the Social Health Authority. So this is a final warning that we are watching. Any facility, any doctor, or any patient to be involved in fraudulent activities will be held liable and will face the full force of the law. We have already initiated the process to recover the paid monies, and we will involve the law enforcement agencies with the evidence to prosecute the perpetrators of this public theft.
Haki Yetu Chief Executive Officer Peter Kiama has criticized the government's move to form a parallel committee to fight corruption. He says the government should instead support existing ethics and anti-corruption commission to effectively carry out its mandate. Kiama added that creating another body under the office of the president goes against the constitution. He warned that the likelihood of such a body successfully fighting corruption is close to zero.
Again, we have seen the latest development. The president has established the multi-agency team to fight corruption in Kenya. And for me, again, it's a subversion of the constitutionally and legally laid down mechanisms for fighting corruption. In the first place, we know that the key agencies within the office of the president, his office, have been named by credible bodies as the most corrupt, rating as the most corrupt in the corruption index in this country. And therefore, we cannot trust the office of the president to be able to lead the war against corruption. We should be able to trust the constitutionally and legally established Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission that should be supported by all organs of government, but not set up another body that is going to be chaired by the office of the president, whose agencies are leading in corruption index.
And religious leaders in Yatta have urged security agencies to take responsibility following rising cases of murders in marriages and relationships, especially in Matu town. In the past month, more than 4 couples have lost their lives in incidents linked to sexual and domestic abuse. AIC Matu preachers Fidelis Masila and Ruben Muindi said killings are devastating to families, the community and the church. The clerics blamed social media influence for fueling marital conflicts and breakups. They also accused police of negligence in investigating reported cases, citing the latest incident where a police officer from 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐭 shot and killed 2 women.
Tuliona hata juzi hapa karibu 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐭 kuna askari pale ambaye aliua wanawake 2 kwa bunduki ambayo amepewa kulinda maisha ya raia, na kwa hivyo akaitumia kwa njia ambayo istahili. Akaua wanawake 2 kwa sababu amewapata ya kwamba ni kama ni marafiki, na akawaua na akatoroka. Na hadi wa leo hatujasikia kama huyo askari amekamatwa ama ako wapi. Maana kama ingekuwa mtu wa kawaida, angelikuwa saa hii amekamatwa na hao wanawake wanapata haki yao. Lakini familia hizi bado hazijapata haki zao. Maana huyo askari alitoroka na hatujasikia tangu atoroke hakuna chochote kimeendelea. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali ya kwamba hatua zichukuliwe, mtu asiue na aachiliwe aende. Lazima hatua ichukuliwe.
His Highness Prince Rahim Aga Khan V is making his first official visit to Kenya since succeeding his late father, His Highness Prince Karim Al-Hussein Aga Khan IV, who died in February 2025 at the age of 88. He was received at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport by Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs Musalia Mudavadi alongside Health Cabinet Secretary Adan Duale. The visit, made at the invitation of President William Ruto, seeks to strengthen current and future areas of cooperation. Through the Aga Khan Development Network, the Ismailia community has supported millions of Kenyans in education, health, media, economic development, and environmental programs. And that's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk.